Hello students, welcome to level 7 of lesson 13 here, sprite movement. So last class we did the first 6 levels in which we learned about the counter pattern, which is how we move sprites across the screen. So if we look at level 7 here, we notice that the orange fish is moving, however the green and blue fish are not moving as anticipated like they should be in this GIF over here. So we need to figure out how to get those to move. Now, I'd like for you to look at this code here, and let's see if we can find where's the code that is actually making the orange fish move. Where's the code that's making the orange fish move to the left? Now, if you said line 13, then you are correct. This right here is the counter pattern, right? So we're taking the orange fish's x value, and we're decreasing it by 2 every loop of the draw function. So every time it's going to change by 2. Now, the question is, how do we get the green and the blue fish to move? Well, we'll use the same exact counter pattern. Right? So first we have to decide which property do we want to change. Because remember, the counter pattern is sprite.property equals sprite.property plus or minus some number. So let's start with sprite.property. Now, sprite, the name of the sprite is going to be blue fish dot property. Now, it doesn't say dot property, it says dot x because that is the property that we're concerned with. Bluefish.x equals, and then instead of using the blocks, I'm just going to type here bluefish.x again. And if I want it to move to the left, should I be adding or subtracting? I should subtract. Okay. Now, one final thing, if we look at this GIF over here, you'll notice that the blue fish is moving a little faster than the orange fish. So how can we get it to move faster? Well, if the orange fish is moving 2 pixels per frame, why don't we make the blue fish move over 3 pixels per frame? And you'll notice when I type it in like that, it automatically corrects it to this. So if you wanted to, you could also use the minus block, and then I can use the sprite.x property. It's up to you. It should work either way. So x minus 3. And now you'll notice my blue fish is moving a little bit faster than the orange fish. Okay, I'll leave it up to you to figure out how to make the green fish move. And notice the green fish is moving slower than the orange fish. So let's add one more line of code, the counter pattern there, to make the green fish move slowly. Best of luck.